Hi guys, I'm Shanaya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Feel free to check out my more videos if you're new here, and if you like them, please subscribe to my channel. So today I've created this look for Valentine's Day, obviously, and this look is inspired by my favorite Hailey Bieber. So I'm going to put that picture somewhere on screen. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I have already prepped my skin, and now I'm going to mix my foundation with my moisturizer and with highlighter, mixing it well, and then I'm going to apply this on my face. एक्चुअली इसका शेड बहुत लाइट हो गया क्योंकि मैंने इसमें हाइलाइटर मिलाया, बट ग्लो काफ़ी प्यारा आया था गाइस. सो फाउंडेशन का शेड अगर लाइट हो जाता है तो मैं डार्कर कलर का ब्राउन्जर यूज़ करूँगी सो दैट इट गेट्स मिक्स विथ माई स्किन एंड इट डजेंट लुक डिफरेंट फ्रॉम माई स्किन टोन. A little bit bronzer I'm applying on my neck, and now I'm contouring my nose. And now you can see foundation अच्छी तरीके से mix हो गया है, अलग नहीं दिख रहा है skin tone से. And now I'm applying the concealer under my eyes और थोड़ा सा highlight भी करूँगी मैं. After that I have applied highlighter on my nose bridge, and after that I am going to apply the blush, and I am taking this color of blush and also I have mixed it with my moisturizer for the glossy look, and you can see it is looking nice and glowy. So now I am doing my brows, and for that I am using powder. For lipstick I am using this shade. It's from Maybelline, and I am not applying it too much, and उसके ऊपर से मैं कलर बार का ग्लॉस लगाऊंगी क्योंकि हेली बीबर ने भी ग्लॉसी लिप्स रखे थे और आईज एकदम सटल रखने वाले हैं हम इस लुक के लिए. और हाँ, ऊपर से थोड़ा सा शिमरी शेड अप्लाई किया है मैंने. And for my lashes I am using Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensation. I just love this mascara literally. And yeah, our look is completed. As you can see, it's looking nice and glowy, and I am ready to go on a date. और आप भी try करो and मुझे comments में बताना. So guys, hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and also please subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next. Bye bye.